Hi, hello friends. Today we are on the way to Marina Mall in Abu Dhabi. We are traveling from Dubai. Marina Mall was only the attraction during that time, and the new Corniche is a relaxation point. This part of the Corniche doesn't exist 20 years ago. You can watch my previous videos in my channel. Reclamation of land took place in 2003 and the Corniche was extended. During this plan, several earlier landmarks were demolished. You can see the Corniche extension process in my earlier video. Water sports in Corniche didn't exist 20 years ago. UAE flag is flying. I am not sure whether another flag exists near Marina Mall. This is one of the tallest flag poles in the world. Heavy wind is required to fly this flag high. When I see the flag, I remember the UAE flag in Jumeirah Beach in Dubai. If I remember correct, this flag is the longest one in Asian countries. This statement holds true 20 years ago, but I am not sure whether the same statement holds good even today. This is the line of buildings along the Corniche. It looked beautiful when seen in the daytime in the bright sun. You can see the beautiful sunset here. The sun is filled with gold and orange colors and slowly going down into the sea, waiting for the full sunset. You can see slowly happening and moving down. Usually there are several places in the world where sunset is prime attraction, but this sunset is also good and there are no clouds or obstructions to the sun, but people enjoy only paid sunsets. This is a free sunset and nobody bothers to enjoy the beautiful sunset. Maybe all these people in the Cornish, maybe the native people, and the sunset is a common happening for them. Now the sun has gone completely and I hope you enjoyed the sunset. This is the Marina Mall on the other side of the creek. There was no IKEA store in Marina Mall 20 years ago. It was opened in 2001 and it no more exists now. What happened was it was shifted to Yas Island during 2011. One more IKEA is going to be set in Abu Dhabi in July 2020. I got this piece of information from Google and it must have been opened by now. This is going to be the 5th store in UAE. Also, there is a thought of opening second IKEA store in Dubai in Jebel Ali area. Same kind of things happened in Dubai also. Initially, IKEA was located inside City Center Mall. This store was established in 1995. Later, it was shifted to Dubai Festival City in a new building in new premises. This store is more larger than the one existed in City Center. This shift had happened in 2005 and I had seen this new IKEA also. But the fact I was not aware till today is a small IKEA store was opened in Karama area in 1991 and I got this information from Google. I had not heard of this when I was in Dubai for so long. This water fountain is the prime attraction to this mall. Water is falling through the openings in various patterns. I can't see any steam coming out of the bottom of the fountain. This is actually a steam fountain, and you can see it in my earlier videos in Abu Dhabi. But now the fountain remains in the same shape, but the steam can't be found. I also watched one video shot in 2013, and I can see the steam from the bottom. I am not sure whether this was not functioning when I shot this video or the feature was removed from the fountain.
Hello, if you like this video, please see all my previous videos. If you like them, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications. Please drop your comments and suggestions. Thank you.
Hope you had enjoyed the Marina Mall in Abu Dhabi. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you. See you in next video.